If you're someone who creates products in Dynamics 365, you absolutely know the grind of repetitive data entry. But what if I told you there's a way to get all that time back? Well, today we're diving into a fantastic feature that does exactly that. Product templates. Does this sound familiar? You've got, say, a dozen new items you need to add, and they all have the same buyer group, the same dimensions, the same core details. Tabbing through field after field, entering the same info. It's tedious, right? It can completely drain your productivity. And look, that's really the heart of the problem. In a system as powerful as Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, this kind of repetitive work is more than just a grind. It's not a great use of your time or your expertise, especially when so many products are basically twins. But what if you could do all of that setup with just a couple of clicks? The great news is you totally can. The solution is built right into the system, and it's called Product Templates. So what exactly is a product template? Think of it like a saved snapshot of a product setup. You fill out all the common information just one time, save it as a template, and then you can apply that snapshot to any new product you create. It's a really simple idea, but it has a massive impact. And the system gives you two powerful ways to use them. First, you can create a personal template. That's your own private shortcut for the products you're always working with. But you can also create a shared template. And this is amazing for larger teams because it makes sure everyone is using the same consistent data. It just locks in that consistency for the whole organization. So how do you actually make one of these things? Let's walk through creating a personal template. And trust me, it's surprisingly easy. Okay, so you start by creating a single product that's going to act as your foundation. You go through and fill in all those common fields, the item group, storage dimensions, purchasing price, sales price, even the vendor. Once you've got it just right, you find the option to create personal template, give it a clear name so you'll actually remember what it's for, and hit save. And that's it. Seriously, your template is ready to go. All right, this setup is done. Now for the payoff. This is where the magic happens and where you really start getting all that time back. Just imagine it's the next day. Another new product needs to be created. And yep, it shares all those same attributes from yesterday. But this time, your approach is going to be completely different. You click New to start a product, give it a product number. But then you stop. Instead of tabbing through all those fields, you just select the personal template you made. You click OK. And boom, this is the payoff. Instantly, the whole form is populated. Buyer group, item model group, prices, dimensions, it is all right there. Just like the source material says, all these fields automatically coming from the template. It's a huge, incredibly satisfying shortcut. So let's wrap this up by looking at what this actually means for your daily work. Because this is way more than just a neat little trick. It's a fundamental improvement to how you get things done. So what's the bottom line here? Well, first, you save a ton of valuable time. Second, you guarantee data consistency because you're taking the risk of manual entry right out of the equation. That, of course, slashes all those little errors from typos or forgotten fields. And when you put all that together, you're not just speeding up a single task, you're accelerating your entire product creation workflow. And that brings us to our final thought. Mastering templates for products is a huge win, for sure, but it also opens up a bigger question to think about. Once you start looking for these repetitive tasks, where else in your daily work could a template or a shortcut or just a new process save you time and cut down on errors? What else can you standardize to make your entire workflow even smarter?